Molle panels are extremely versatile quick-release lid organizers that are compatible with an unlimited combination of user-supplied Molle pouches and Velcro straps. Engineered to fit in the lid of a selection of Peli case models, the EZ-Click panel is secured with exclusive twist cam locks for rapid mounting and removal. These multi-use panels allow for different load configurations and are the smart option if your equipment tends to vary. Each Molle panel kit includes one panel, mounting bosses, and round-head steel metal screws. The quantities of mounting bosses and screws will depend on the corresponding case model. Now let's show you how to mount the panel in the lid of the case. As you will see, it's incredibly easy to mount and to detach. First of all, install the swing catch mounting bosses onto the lid bosses, which are molded into the case, with the supplied screws. Use a manual screwdriver to tighten the screws. Be careful that you don't over-tighten. Attach the accessories you want to use to the panel with the help of the Velcro straps. You can fit several accessories at the same time. The Peli Molle panel is designed to be compatible with user-sourced Molle-style pouches and Velcro brand straps. Carefully position the holes of the panel onto the switch catch mounting bosses of the lid. Rotate the swing arm to latch counterclockwise onto the swing catch mounting boss until it clicks. Remember, make sure to attach any Molle accessories to the panel prior to fitting it into the lid. And you're done! With rapid access to the back of the grid panel, you can quickly switch out an unlimited combination of user-supplied Molle-style pouches and Velcro brand straps to organize your gear. Easily rearrange as many times as you need. Remember, only a certain number of Peli cases are optimized for use with a panel frame. Note that each case model will have a matching panel. Please visit Peli.com to learn which cases are fit.